Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Webull account. First, download the Webull app from your App Store or visit their official website. You'll then need to provide your email address or phone number to begin the registration process. Make sure to verify your identity using a valid government-issued identification document, as this is a crucial step for security and compliance. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your full name, address, and date of birth. Be sure to disclose your current employment status and provide details about your employer if applicable. You will also need to provide your Social Security number, which is essential for tax reporting and account verification. After that, Webull will ask you a few questions to build your investment profile, assessing your experience and risk tolerance. Once your profile is complete, you can link your bank account to Webull for convenient deposits and withdrawals. Finally, fund your account with an initial deposit to start trading. Many users begin with at least $100. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident, submit your application for review. Webull typically processes applications quickly, often within 1 business day. You'll receive a notification once your new account has been approved and is ready for trading.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.